to my channel. So today we'll be moving from this place. I hope you remember the place that we stayed here like for more than a week. So we are moving to a new Airbnb today. So I'm gonna show you guys our new place in Malaysia. So I'm super excited because it's a beautiful place. So let's go with me. This is the place and we arrived. Oh my goodness, I cannot show you the whole. So we're gonna wait for our other team to arrive. So it looks like this is the reception there. This is the entrance. So excited, it's so beautiful. This is the entrance for A. And the other team arrived. Siliguri. I'm in the reception. And yeah, I met two Nepali people. We're trying to figure out is this the right place or not. I hope we're in the right place. Our room is on the 23rd floor. And right now we're in the lift. Like we have to go 23rd floor. How much is the total floor? 42? Very high. So this is our house. Let's keep our husband here. So this is our house. Oh, that's so pretty. This is our room. Oh, I love this bedroom. Let's twist the light. Lamp. So this is the other room. This is the bathroom. The kitchen. One more room here. The rooms are like not super big, but not so small. One more bathroom here. Okay. Let's see the view. You can see the city. Penang Hill. Oh, it's very sunny. What's here? Oh, this is for the laundry. This is the view from the living room. Oh, we can see the beach. This side is the city and the hill. Oh, so cool. Very beautiful. Let's read the house rules. No smoking, no durian, mangosteen, rambutans, quiet hours, no party, no pet, no shoes in the house. No shoes in the house, guys. And blah 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 blah. Okay. Oh, the house is really. House is housing. Pear, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm so tired.
Yeah, everyone is so tired. Guys, look at this pretty room. Look at the bed. It's like so cozy, comfy, and look at those cushions. Like, oh, they have a crib for the baby. We don't have a baby. I have a baby. Oh my goodness, this is so cute and comfy. I love it, but the sad part is four of the girls have to stay in one room and like two guys each in these rooms. So yeah, we have to manage, but overall this place is very beautiful. So, and the view is so pretty. So we'll manage, and we have free gym, swimming pool, so many things. So we're gonna swim today. Oh my goodness, it's very hot and sunny, but the view is very beautiful. We have tube and swimming goggles. Ooh, we're gonna use this tonight. And this one, kickboard. It's so hot, right? If you the curtain, you should not open it. This is also a kind of bed. You can like pull it out and then turn it into a bed. Yeah, I know. Fridge, water. So guys, it's now 2 people, 2 girls in this room and 2 girls in the other room. So I'm happy. This is my room. Yay. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. I'm gonna enjoy. Oh, what's wrong with the lights? I'm gonna enjoy my stay here till then. Take care, and I'm gonna go to the pool. And yes, bye guys. Thank you for watching the video.